In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy cars on cars.com. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cars.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of cars.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here you'll be able to search for the cars over here. You can simply put in these informations and you'll be able to see the cars for sale. Likewise, you can click on the buy option that you can see at the top of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the cars for sale over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the categories of the cars over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to search for the car. For that, you can simply click on the search bar, or you can also search by the make, body style, or electric if you want. If you want to search by make, what you have to do is simply click on the field of new or used. Now click on the option of your choice. Likewise, select the make, model, price, distance and Jeep over here. After you do that, click on the search option. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the listings for the cars over here. Simply click on the car that you would like to buy. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the details regarding the car over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the price. You'll also be able to see the features and specs as well. So what you have to do is click on this option, check availability that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your message was sent. You'll receive a response from the seller shortly. After you do that, you'll be able to contact the seller. Simply inquire the seller regarding your queries. After you do that, you and the seller can close the deal. Also make sure to do the inspection properly. After you like the car, simply sign the deal with the seller and you'll be able to buy the car. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you buy cars on cars.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.